Here I've got Huawei MediaPad M5 and let me show you how to clear browsing data on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the browser that you are using, in my case it's Google Chrome, then select the More icon, which is 3 dots one in the right upper corner, and now pick the history. Then here you will notice Clear Browsing Data option, so simply click on it, and now pick Basic or Advanced options. So in Basic you will find Browsing History, Cookies, Media Licenses and Site Data, and also Cached Images and Files. And then in Advanced options you can find all of the basic ones and also saved password, out of inform data, site settings and media licenses. So you can delete them all. You can also unclick some of them and leave them, but I will pick all of them. And finally just pick the time range. So if you will click here, you can select if you would like to delete history from last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, 4 weeks, or from the beginning of time. So let me pick all time, and finally click on clear data and confirm it by tapping on clear. Wait a couple of seconds and that's it. As you can see, from now on there is no history here and you can create it from the beginning. So that would be all. This is how you can clear browsing data in your Huawei. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.